Hello students, last lecture we start the anemia, okay, discussing about the what is the meaning of anemia, what is a classification of anemia, what is a causative agent of anemia, okay. We was discussing in there the 6 type of anemia: iron deficiency anemia, megaloblastic anemia, pernicious anemia, hemorrhagic anemia, hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia is also categorized into the 2 types: the thalassemia anemia and sickle cell anemia, and last one is your aplastic anemia. We was discussing in the last lecture, okay. We finished the types of the anemia, okay. Today we are discuss the causes of your the anemia. The increase the requirement, first one is there. First one is your the increase the requirement, okay. In there the RBC is required in that the condition of your the menstruating female, pregnancy, lactation, growing infant and children, and erythropoietic treatment. Okay. Increase the requirement of RBC. यदि ये नहीं होता है तो डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि जब मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल में आपका ब्लड लॉस होता है, प्रेगनेंसी में फिटस को भी आपका ब्लड जाता है, तो डेफिनेटली आरबीसी इज इंक्रीज. एट टाइम ऑफ लैक्टेशन वी हैव टू नीडेड द आरबीसी. देयर इज ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग ऑफ इन्फर्ट, डेफिनेटली वी नीडेड द आरबीसीज और पर्टिकुलरली हीमोग्लोबिन. और इरिथ्रोपोइटिन ट्रीटमेंट में भी आपको डेफिनेटली आरबीसी रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है, ओके. यदि ये नहीं रहा, यदि इस पीरियड में पर्टिकुलरली द हायर चांसेस ऑफ ऑकरिंग एनीमिया. नेक्स्ट वन, इंक्रीज द लॉस. इंक्रीज द लॉस, ओके. यदि जीआई ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टिनल ब्लीडिंग हो रही है, देयर इज आल्सो चांसेस ऑफ ऑकरिंग एनीमिया, ओके. मेनोरिया हो रहा है, मीन्स प्रेगनेंसी लॉस हो रही है, सॉरी मीन्स मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल स्टॉप हो रही है, इट्स आल्सो चांसेस ऑफ ऑकरिंग एनीमिया. परसिस्टेंट हिमेटोयूरिया, ओके. परसिस्टेंट हिमेटोयूरिया, हिमेटोयूरिया यानी क्या, यूरिन में से आपका ब्लड बाहर जाना, ओके. Hematuria at that time the particularly also chances of occurring anemia. Intravenous hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic means the breakdown or rupture of your the RBC, and because of in intravascular system the rupture of your the RBC, and because of the rupturing of your the RBC there is a decrease the RBC counting and occurring anemia. The next one is your the regular blood donor. If you are a regular blood donating there is automatically to decrease the RBC counting, okay. Hence the particularly we have to needed the 120 days, okay. 120 दिन के बाद ही आप सेकंड ब्लड डोनेट कर सकते हो, ओके. और मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि ईयरली और 2 ईयरली में एक बार ही डोनेट करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट वन, डिक्रीज द इंटेक ऑफ वेजिटेरियन डाइट, ओके. और सोशियो इकोनॉमिकल फैक्टर, उसके वजह से भी हमारा एनीमिया कॉज होता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द डिक्रीज द एब्सॉर्प्शन, ओके. अपर जीआई पैथोलॉजी, ओके. अपर जीआई पैथोलॉजी में यदि एब्सॉर्प्शन डिक्रीज हो रहा है, देयर इज ऑल्सो चांसेस ऑफ ऑकरिंग एनीमिया, ओके. गैस्ट्रोट्रोमी इज ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑकरिंग एनीमिया. एंड द मेडिटेशन, सम एंटासिड एंड जेंटेप, some antacid is also responsible for occurring anemia, okay. This is a various causes of anemia. It's a various causes of your the anemia. Next one is your the sign and symptoms of anemia. Sign and symptoms of anemia, okay. We discussing only the commonly symptoms occurring in your the anemia. First one is your the easy fatigue and loss of energy. Easy fatigue and loss of energy. Second one is your the unusually rapid heartbeat, okay. Rapid heartbeat particularly with exercise, okay. डेफिनेटली यदि एनीमिया है, आरबीसीज पर्टिकुलरली रप्चर हो रहे, ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी आपकी वीक है, आप कुछ भी एक्सरसाइज करो तो डेफिनेटली ब्रीदिंग आपकी बढ़ जाएंगे, हार्टबीट आपके बढ़ जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीदिंग, मीन्स द डिस्पोनिया इज ऑकरिंग एंड हेडेक इज ऑल्सो ऑकरिंग देयर, particularly with exercise. Next one is your the difficulty concentrating. कंसंट्रेशन करना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है इन केस ऑफ एनीमिया. डिजीनेस प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है, पेल स्किन हो जाती है, लेग में क्रैम्प्स आने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, और इंसोम्निया, नींद प्रॉपरली नहीं आती है, ओके. This is your the anemia. The next one in your the anemia caused by the iron deficiency. ये पॉजिटिव एजेंट स्पेशली रह गए थे हमारे कि विच टाइप ऑफ एनीमिया इज अ शो. ओके, एनीमिया कॉज बाय आयरन डिफिशियंसी. अब आयरन डिफिशियंसी जो एनीमिया है उसका पॉजिटिव एजेंट क्या है? पीपल विथ एंड द आयरन डिफिशियंसी मे बी एक्सपीरियंस दिस सिम्टम्स. ओके, पर्सन को यदि आयरन डिफिशियंसी तो उनको कौन से सिम्टम्स शो होंगे? द फर्स्ट वन इज योर द हंगर फॉर द स्ट्रेंज सब्सटेंस सच एज अ पेपर, ओके, आइस और डर्ट. The condition is called as a pica. The condition is called as a pica. Okay. In iron deficiency, जब भी आयरन डिफिशियंसी एनीमिया होता है वहाँ पे ये सिम्टम्स डेफिनेटली शो होता है. अ पर्सन बिकम अ हंगर of the strange substances. Okay, like is your the paper, ice and your dirt. The second one is your the symptoms is your the upward curvature of your the nails. Nail biting is a producing in there. Nail biting is a producing in there referred to as a chondrocalcinosis. Chondrocalcinosis. Okay. Then the soreness of mouth with a crack at the corner. Mouth soreness हो जाता है and you are the crack at the corner. This is the symptoms in these symptoms occurring in the iron deficiency anemia. Okay. The next one is the different symptoms is occurring in the anemia caused by the vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency. The people whose anemia is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B12 may have these symptoms. That's the following: a tingling, pin and needle sensation in the hand or the feet. Tingling, pins and the needle sensation in a hand or feet. Okay, pin और needle shape का particularly sensation occur होता है उन्हें hand as well as feel में. It's called as a tingling. Loss of sense or touch, like is your the paralysis patients, because the totally sensation is a loss in there. Then the wobbly gaits and difficulty to walking. Okay, wobbly gaits and difficulty in walking. यदि आप थोड़ा भी चलोगे तो आप particularly tired हो जाओगे. Clumsiness, stiffness and the arm and legs. Clumsiness and stiffness is occurring in your arms and legs. Next one is your the dementia. It's a totally loss of memory. Totally loss of your memory. Hallucination, Brahm. Okay. Paranoia and schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is your the mental or psychiatric disorder. Is also occurring in there. Okay. Then sign of anemia. Okay. The sign of your the anemia. First one is your the brittle nail. जो नेल रहते हैं वो ब्रिटल हो जाते हैं, ठिसुड़. ओके, द स्पून शेप नेल हो जाते हैं पर्टिकुलरली. इज कॉल्ड एज अ कोलियोनाइचिया. कोलोनाइचिया. एट्रोपी ऑफ पेपिली ऑफ योर द टंग्स. ओके, एट्रोपी मीन्स द स्मॉल साइज की आपकी टंग्स हो जाती है. जो पेपिल से जो ग्लो ब्लड पे रहते हैं टंग्स पे, वो आपकी क्या हो जाती है? एट्रोपी हो जाती है, स्मॉल साइज की हो जाती है. एंगुलर स्टोमेटिटिस. Okay, the brittle hair, dysphagia and your the glosticea and the plumber Vinson and the Kinley Patterson is occurring there. Okay, see the symptoms. देखो, is clearly indicating here the particularly. Okay, first में plumber vision है, second में is your the particularly atrophy of the papilla of the tongue. Okay, the third one में particularly see the nails. It's a spoon like. Oh sorry, fourth में आपका spoon like है, third में से brittle nail. Okay, this is the symptoms and sign of your the anemia. Next one is your the symptoms of anemia with a different systems. Symptoms of anemia with a different system. Okay, which system is a which type of symptom is a show there. Okay, first one take the central. Okay, centrally there the particularly fatigue, dizziness and fainting is a producing because of the anemia. Then the blood vessel, the low blood pressure. In heart, the particularly palpitation is occurring there, rapid heart rate is occurring there, chest pain, angina or heart attack chances is also increases in because of the anemia. You very well know about it. Because of the anemia is the hypoxia is producing in there. Okay, we was study This pathophysiology, okay. Spleen, the enlargement of spleen is a producing in there. Enlargement of spleen is a producing in there particularly. Then intestine, at that time of the anemia, the changed स्टूल कलर, जो फीकल मैटर रहता है उसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है, रेडिश हो जाता है, रेडिश होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, सॉरी हाईली येलोइश होना स्टार्ट होता है, बिलिरुबिन एक्सेसिव लॉस होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है उसमें. देन द मसल इज योर द फटीग एंड बिकॉज ऑफ इट द वीकनेस ऑफ मसल इज अ प्रोड्यूसिंग इन देयर. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द रेस्पिरेटरी. The respiratory system affect the shortness of your the breathing. The dyspnea is occurring there, and skin, the paleness is occurring there, the coldness is occurring there, and yellow is occurring there, and eyes is a totally yellowing because of the excessive loss of bilirubin. Because of excessive loss of your the bilirubin. Bilirubin loss होने के वजह से particularly पूरी body आपकी yellow होना start हो जाती है. Body yellow होना start हो जाती है. Okay, this is your the various symptoms of your the anemia occurring different systems of your body. Okay, next one in there, the how to investigate of this particularly anemia. The red blood cell population is defined by first one is your the quantitative parameter. Okay, तीनों पैरामीटर आप चेक कर लो, कौन से 3 पैरामीटर कम हो रहे थे ब्लड में वो चेक कर लो. एक है hematocrit, second one is your the hemoglobin concentration, और third one is your the red blood cell concentration. वो आप चेक कर लो क्वांटिटेटिव पैरामीटर में, आपको इजीली इंडिकेट हो जाएगा कि एनीमिया है या नहीं है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द क्वालिटेटिव पैरामीटर, मेन कार्पोस्कर वैल्यूम. ओके, कार्पोस्कुलर वॉल्यूम आप चेक करो, द मीन ऑफ योर द कार्पोस्कुलर हीमोग्लोबिन चेक करो, मीन ऑफ योर द कार्पोस्कुलर हीमोग्लोबिन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, ये तीनों पैरामीटर चेक करो बाय द क्वालिटेटिव analysis. Okay, there the next one is your the it's also determination of your the hematocrit. Okay, it is a proportion of a volume of blood sample that is occupied by the RBC. Okay, the in men particularly 42 to 52% और in women 36 to 48%. Okay, यदि इससे कम होगा, there is a indicating in there the particularly hematocrit is a decreases, and hematocrit is a decreases at a condition of your the anemia. The next one is your the cell volume hemoglobin concentration. Cell volume hemoglobin concentration. Okay, it is the account of the hemoglobin per unit volume of blood. Cell volume hemoglobin concentration, it is the amount of hemoglobin per unit volume of blood. Women 12 to 60 ग्राम पर DL. ओके, इतना हीमोग्लोबिन होना चाहिए लेडीज में, 12 to 16 ग्राम, और मेन में 14 to 70. दैट इज अ नॉर्मल रेंज ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन. ओके, देन द रेड ब्लड सेल काउंट, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ रेड सेल पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम एंड द ब्लड सैंपल इज इक्वल टू मेन 4.2 to 5.4 into 10⁶ mm per cube, और वुमन में 3.6 to 5 10⁶ mm per cube. ये रेंजिंग होना चाहिए. द नेक्स्ट वन इज योर द मेन कार्पस्कुलर वैल्यूम. ओके, mean corpuscular volume, it that the average of volume of your the RBC, that's a normal 82 to 98 mm per cube or 82 to 98 FL. Okay, then the mean corpuscular hemoglobin, that's the average of hemoglobin content per RBC, it's a normal value is your the 27 to 31 PL. Then the mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration, it is the average of concentration of hemoglobin in a given red cell volume is your the normal range is your the 32 to 36 gram per DL. Okay, then here is your the finish the totally investigation of your the anemia. Then next one in there the particularly management of anemia. Next one in there the particularly the management of anemia. how to manage of your the anemia. Okay, first one is the care objective to determine the cause of iron deficiency. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, डिटरमाइन करना है द कॉजेस ऑफ आयरन डिफिशियंसी. द इटियोलॉजी इज ऑफन मल्टीफैक्टोरियल इवन व्हेन देयर इज अ obviously cause. Investigation of serious underlying causes means example is cancer in adult is recommended or not. First one is your the determining there. Second one is your the aim of treatment. Normalize hemoglobin level and the red cell indices, replenishing the iron store as well as the individualized disease. The specific management depend on the underlying causes. The lifestyle management, okay, recommended that the patient with the iron deficiency recovery dietary advice. Okay, then next one is your the non pharmacological management in there. Okay, in that the tea and coffee inhibit the iron absorption. Okay, यदि आप tea or coffee you have to take continuously at that time, the particularly they having inhibit the iron absorption when the consume with a meal and short after the meal. Okay, vitamin C, the ascorbic acid is a useful powerful enhancer of the iron absorption from the non-meat food. When the consumed with a meal, the size of vitamin C effect on iron absorption increase with the quantity of vitamin C in the meal. ओके, विटामिन सी आपको हायर अमाउंट में टेक करना है बिकॉज विटामिन सी इज अ हेल्प टू द एब्सॉर्प्शन ऑफ योर द आयरन. नेक्स्ट, germination and the fermentation of your the cereals and your the legumes is improve the bioavailability of your the iron by the reducing the content of your the phytates and your the substance of food that inhibit the iron absorption. Okay, fermented food means the cereals. Okay, जे कडधान्य है पर्टिकुलरली दाळ वगैरह ते मीन्स हायर अमाउंट में आपको जो सीरियल्स है और लेग्यूम्स है वो हायर अमाउंट में टेक करना चाहिए बिकॉज सीरियल्स एंड लेग्यूम्स विच हैविंग इंक्रीज द bioavailability of your the iron. Next, to promote and support exclusive breastfeeding for the about the 6 months followed by the breastfeeding with appropriate complementary food. Okay, including the iron rich through the second year of the life. Okay, यदि जब प्रेग्नेंट वुमन रहती है वो डेफिनेटली फर्स्ट 6 मंथ तक ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कराती है. देन आफ्टर द फिनिशिंग ऑफ दिस 6 मंथ द वुमन विच हैविंग द प्रोवाइड द हायर अमाउंट ऑफ योर द iron deficiency substances. Okay, then the next one is your the recommended dietary allowance in the per day mg per day. Okay, in the main adults the 8 mg iron you have to take in there, particularly woman adult the age on the 50 is also taking the 8 mg per day. The adult the age between the 19 to 50 they having a required the higher amount of iron. It's up you have to providing the 18 mg per day. The pregnant woman you have to providing the 27 mg per day iron. Okay, lacting in your the 9 mg to 10 mg. Adolescent means the age of your the 9 to 18. Girls as well as boys they have to providing 8 mg to 15 mg. In case of the girls and boys 8 mg to 11 mg. At a children's the birth to the age 8, okay, or age beyond the particularly 4 to 8 year, you will be providing the iron the range of your the 10 mg to 12 mg per day. Infant you have to providing the 11 mg, or infant is the less than the 6 month you have to provide the 0.27 mg. Okay, the next one in there the particularly how to managing the patient. First of all, the new patient in that the diagram is clearly indicating in that the how you treated the anemic patient. Okay, if the find the new patient, then the first one you identify it. Okay, after the identification you have to providing the oral iron supplementary. Okay, if the oral iron is not absorbable, then you have to go the IV iron. सबसे पहले आपको ओरल लेना है. ओरल आयरन सप्लाई होने के, ओरल आयरन जैसे आप सप्लाई करते हो, यदि एब्सॉर्प्शन नहीं हो रहा है और आयरन जो लेवल है वो इन्हांस नहीं हो रहा है, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू गो फॉर द IV iron and there is your the clear your iron deficiency. Okay, the next one in that the management, how to manage this particularly. It's a complementary parasite control measure. Complementary parasite control measuring in there. Okay, the anti-helminthic therapy with a 400 mg of single dose of albendazole is a given to eliminate the hookworms before the initial of your the iron and folic acid therapy, because this helminthics which having to inhibit the iron absorption or folic acid absorption. Okay, and because of it we have to provide the anthelmintic drugs. In the pregnancy, the albendazole concentration is the first trimester, can be the administered in a second or third trimester. The treatment for the 6 to 24 months, the doses 12.5 mg iron, 50 mg folic acid daily. Birth weight category, it's a normal. Low birth weight, it's a less than 2.5 kg. The duration is your 6 to 24 month of your the age. The next one is your the treatment of your the mild and moderate iron deficiency. Okay, the children 2 to 5 year age, you will provided the 20 to 30 mg iron per day. Okay, the children the age between the 6 to 11 year, you have to provide the 30 to 60 mg iron per day. Okay, the adolescent and adults, you have to provide the 60 mg or more than 60 mg iron per day. The next one in that the treatment of severe anemia. Treatment of severe anemia, that's a age group is your the less than 2 year. You have to providing the 25 mg iron plus 100 to 40 microgram folic acid daily for the duration of your the 3 months at a time of your the severe anemia or severe iron deficiency anemia. Next one, the range between the 2 to 12 year, you have to providing the 60 mg iron plus 40 micro mg folic acid daily, also the 3 month, or aldosterone adult is your the double dose. You have to providing and clear the your anemia. The next one is your the treatment of pregnant woman. Treatment of pregnant women. Okay, the prevalence of your the anemia in a pregnancy is a less than the 40% in a population. The dose you have to providing the 60 mg iron plus the 400 microgram folic acid daily, and this dose you have to provided there the 6 month in a pregnancy and continuing the 3 month of postpartum. Okay, this is the your the treatment of your the pregnant woman. Then also the iron absorption may be decreases by the antacid, okay, or the supplementary contain aluminum, magnesium, calcium, zinc, proton pump inhibitor, and because of the antacid they having the decrease the absorption of your the iron. Next one is your the space administration apart by the at least the 2 hours. Then oral iron preparation may be cause nausea, vomiting, dyspepsia, constipation, diarrhea on the dark stool. On your dark stool. Okay, the strategy to the minimize this effect including start at the lower dose and increase the gradually over the 4 to 5 days. Okay, the given divided dose or the lowest effective dose is a taking the supplementary with the meals. Okay, then the last one is your the benefit of your the therapies. The benefit of your the therapies, the population group, there is a divided into the 2 ways, population group and its benefits. Okay, children which having improved the behavior and your the cognitive development. Okay, the cognitive development के लिए particularly it's a best way particularly to take the iron therapy. where the anemia is a common to improve the child survival. Okay, then the aldocell populations to improve the congenitive development in a girl, Batten iron store later the pregnancy. And the next one is your the pregnant woman and their infants. Next category in there the pregnant woman and their infants. Decrease the low birth weight where the severe anemia is a common, decrease the maternal mortality and your the obstetrical complication. And the last one is the all individual to improve the fitness and work capacity to improve the conjugation. Okay, thank you. Here is your the finish the disease of your the anemia. Okay, we was already discussed the basic part of your the anemia, which is the causative agent which having affecting the anemia, and also discussing the various type of your the anemia with its causative agent, with its symptoms and with its treatment. Okay, thank you students.